you. I want you.
I never been touched like this.
I have the Katy Perry out here.
What age were you did on Gargan?
When me at 15.
Because girl get bright. Girl go like she want this me like me and her size.
Welcome to Countdown. Welcome. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey.
I'm just a dancer. I'm looking for a
Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to another top 10 social media countdown. So let's get right into it.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on, it missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them something. Me, I what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Skillibeng scammed me Western Union. My word, my sentence. Alright, so fast rising dancehall artist by the name of Skillibeng. You know the man there with the big bad verse pan Twanis Honda remix.
Them know east side govern anywhere them see we go.
You know, interestingly enough, he is also known from probably Jamaica's biggest scammer anthem ever, called Brick Pan Brick.
Bricks. Brick pam brick. Brick pam brick.
He is now saying, alleging, that he has been a target for scammers.
What is this?
Oh yes, this is 2020. This is a very crazy year. Alright, so let me read the article from the start. So it said, Brick says online vultures have been impersonating him and have been swindling potential clients out of large sums of money. He wants people to be wary of these pretenders and get to know the authorized channels to connect with him in order to do business.
The thing can't do Lord.
I can't even remember when the first instance of this was, but I can tell you it's been going on for several months. And I just want the people them aware say it again. He told the Star, me get fi understand say enough pages out there where act like them are my manager and I take people money. It I get from bad to worse because them I take some big money and I promise the people them all kind of dubs and things. So I have to come out and talk about it now. Me say them nah stop and time too hard for people to send them hard-earned money to these people and nah get nothing in return.
Big. Which bank me fi use now?
If there was ever time for a literature teacher to educate them pitney on what irony is, sit here, case point blank. This is the example of all examples. But I have nothing to say. What do you have to say, burritos? Do you feel any sympathy at all for Skillibeng? I mean, it's unfortunate, but it's also very ironic. Like the irony too strong for no one here. Sound off below, burritos. Number 9, the angel only fans. Me Jurgen's lotion. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay. So, G's and Pim, I do not. Boy, hey. Alright, so anyhow, so, you know, I mentioned some time ago on the social media countdown that the angel, the lady of dancehall, had started her OnlyFans page. Now, if you don't know what OnlyFans is, it's basically a site where people, you know, post extra contents to give their fans, and many people on the site have chosen to, you know, show some little, you know, some little guzum, some little bam, you know, they've decided to put that sort of content to their fans. And so the angel has been doing a whole promo thing. She put out this video some time ago that got many a tongues wagging.
Honestly, I've been a very bad girl. Do you want this?
And then now it look like say out of the midst of anywhere, as I have said, some only feels so she only have put up some little soft type of content and not like the full X-rated type of something. And yeah, according to them visuals here, I think I guessed it right. Pretty. Oh, Jesus spoke. Okay, alright, so I can't really show, it's not really that this everything, you know, but like nobody made me like this. Okay, the angel, I'm not gonna lie, the angel skin smooth. Yawa Barbie doll, you know, hide your face like Bin Laden girl. Boy, oh boy, like, the angel, I'll never say big up yourself. To me, I don't know if I love it. I mean, for the little sensationalism and the little ray, sure, I would have enjoyed it. But for me, I prefer if it didn't do it in a like a spice way. You know that little Spice way where Spice just do like a controversy, and then like 2 weeks later you find out what everything after doing. So if you did have, you know, you did put out little OnlyFans, you do the whole little picture, and then 2 days after that, you drop one music video named OnlyFans, and the video they would have a bad light next time, so bring it to the owner. You know, and have the whole world talking. If I did that, you do, I could have said yes, the angel. But I don't know if I want to say the lady of dancehall, like kind of show up the little goodness, you know. Not if you don't have the whole idea show, you know, really skin it out open like a hockey. But you know, yeah, show the little you know, the little exterior. You know, damn. So I don't know. Burritos, let me know what you think of the angel and her OnlyFans content.
What is that song? It'd be like, it's the girl, she like, me no have a boom boom, bede badele badele bade boom boom, bade boom boom boom, bade boom boom. Look like that song. It's Jamaican. Like, what is that?
Number 8, Donna again. Me try to kiss. Miss Donna teaching you my cooking skills on Facebook. Everybody and their mother know about this woman at her page. When she go live, you know, and a normal number she get on Facebook, you know, she done ran for collect her last 15,000 viewers because, like, I think people just like what the program that she has going on, and people just love to see people getting help and support, especially when they're very vulnerable and in need. So anyway, Miss Donna, she don't make no little qualms about it. Says she struggles with pronouncing people's names. Some time ago, she did have this whole struggle pronouncing that word, and me struggle with too. That place in America, Massachusetts.
Alright, Sharon in a Massachusetts, 9th, what? Massachusetts. Massachusetts. Come in, remember.
I saw it go. Yeah, she did have struggle with it. I know she is back with this Katy, like pre.
Just up in a 2 character. You don't know Katy Perry? Him famous, like him famous in a social media. Marcia, you know Katy Perry? Yeah. And he give a heap of joke? Yeah. All Marcia know him terrorist.
So I said quietly, agreed politely.
I don't know who don't know him. Katy Perry. Come here, cause them say them don't know who name so. Paula, you know who name Katy Perry? Katy Perry, the comedian. Oh. You have one of me have them perfume, and you have the Katy Perry out here. And him, if him make you no laugh, you're funny. Google it. Yes, I'm sure. Katy Perry. Somebody say Katy Perry. Me rast, I know Katy Perry. A Katy Perry, me a... White Perry. Me rast that. I know Katy, that's why I said to my uncle know the Katy Perry.
No, Donna get from bad to worse. I honestly, no. Miss Donna is legit getting from bad to worse. Like, at least the Perry is there. I mean, quite Perry, but like, Miss Donna, big up yourself, yeah. I mean, Miss Donna, like, honestly, I'm just glad that you are not a primary school teacher for the register, because boy. Number 7, Sheba versus Ivani. Media clear. So, if you don't know, Ivani is this very controversial social media personality that is very much known for basically like hacking into people's Instagram accounts. And people have said like, yo, she's a stripper and she is just very fearless. She don't really care about anything that people have said about her. She's just about that life. And you know Sheba. Sheba is, you know, a part of the Gaza. She's known for that hit with Vybz Kartel, Like Christmas.
Me know what make you love me. I'm a pretty, I'm a nice, I'm a lovely.
And in recent times, the two have been at odds. Why? Because of one man, not Vybz Kartel, because of Sheba's son that is called Neil. So Ivani must end up in a relationship with Neil. And the two of them, they just have quite a... When Rihanna did sing, so we found love in a hopeless place. That was the two of them. And it looked like things end, but Ivani and Sheba could not agree. Sheba never liked her son was dating Ivani, and so she just, you know, like them just could agree from them time there. And Ivani just never liked how Sheba was quote unquote very much eggs up into their relationship. So the two have been taking it to social media to kind of get out every single grievance, know that the relationship with the son is over.
Why she not gonna look man her age group? Me have this something to them device note everything. Me know she stay, me not give a fuck about she stay. She know how me stay. She don't know how me stay. Cause if me I refuse something, you push it on for me. Alright, fine, me take it then. You want push it on and never me.
I mean, nobody not give you nothing
talk about your son will love sweets. You and your son love sweet. You say you hate me. And me's a stripper.
And you come talk about braces, girl. Me never beg you for ask me. Tell you me I go pay my money and you offer for pay because you want buy mother-in-law. You want buy likes and you want buy love. And buy likes and love no work, darling. You could have the amount of money you spend on Kenny and still no love you. You still vex and still love Francella.
Our son there me yard for months. He never contribute to rent. She talk about why I love him so cause the dick is good. Ah!
But in all honesty, me just like if them vex, just get out the vexation, just get out the feelings, and then by next month, you're gonna just like drop it. Like no more argument, just get out the wall like right now. And hopefully by next month there is just no more back and forth with Ivani and Sheba. Okay, I'm just hoping so this can just rest. Alright, let me know what you think about the two of them. Are you choosing any team? Sound off below.
This big, what happened to this?
Big.
Which part big?
Yeah.
But they look nice.
No.
You look nice too?
No.
How you look?
Look like an idiot.
Alright, take care.
Number 6, Sip Mama Shen. Alright, so you know, so recently on the countdown, I did mention that dancer Princess Shenseea lost her mom quite suddenly, and recently they had the memorial service. I gather that she was cremated, and several entertainers reached out to show support and their condolences at the service.
My brother and I, you were and still is someone who can never be replaced. Mommy, you are irreplaceable. On the 1st of August 1968, one of the most altruistic human beings was born, homeborn. You were the true definition of a humanitarian, always caring for others even if you didn't know them. You had such a big heart.
You had Russian there, you had Taurus Riley, you had Ding Dong. Of course, you did have the manager Ramesh there as well. Rajero, he was there, you know, just embracing his mother. And you can really look and see Shenseea there that she was really being strong. But when you look in her item, you know, so this girl was just like really crying and releasing a lot of tears probably all the night before and on the morning off. So, you know, I'm just going to just wish for Shenseea continued strength, because it's not easy and it definitely won't be easy for the next couple of months and days. But like, we're just glad to say you have your son by your side, and that when you look at him, you just know, say, yo, this is where all of your strength will come from. Alright, so that is it.
Hey guys, you don't know, say it's a girl Shenseea and you're watching Duttyberry social media countdown. Keep it locked. Shenseea, jiggle jiggle my body, yeah, jiggle jiggle.
Right about now, it's time for the big up segment. Well done.
Look how the girls them sexy and young.
Run, come. Sing along. Well then, pick up your friend.
Alright, so welcome to the big up segments. On the big up segment, we just have to big up my new channel that is called Duttyberry Uncut. So the link is up here, so, and you can find the link down here in the description as well. This channel is going to be my more personal channel. You can consider it a vlog channel. It's where I'm going to show you like the real me, and we're going to just do some little fun stuff, and hopefully you enjoy that as well. Okay, so subscribe to it because the channel will be going live very, very soon. I do not want to miss out on these early videos. Okay, readers, take care and go and watch the rest of the countdown. Number 5, Candy Break. Me gungo stupid. Alright, so popular social media personality Candy.
Words can bring me.
You know her from this big bad slang that is called, you know, like, can I get a wow? Well, recently she has been laying low, but I guess videos of her have resurfaced online, and it is showing Candy in seemingly good health and look like she's trying to enjoy life once more.
For a long time in this year. Oh, I could bring her come back in our place. Pull up, pull up, pull up, man. Pull it around, pull up, and now like me, I want to know what time it's for the chat. Hey, so I'm going to contact the girl. I want to comfort the girl. Hey, what's your cute tell her? I'm going to go for his birthday.
And then this next video now show Candy in all our glory. Let me just tell you this, you know, Candy don't have no regular type of body, you know, like the girl that have shape more than a geometry set. I think just well, you know, boom, 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 boom. One thing I can take from Candy is her little shape, good curvature and them something here. She doesn't need no Dr. Miami or no designer body. And the last but not least, no, I do not know who brought Candy to this karaoke, but Candy shell it right through. know, like, and I have nothing to say, but let me know, Burritos, what do you think about Candy, you know, like, re-emerging her and building her presence once more on social media? Sound off below. Number 4, Rose robbed me coconut bread. So, you know, Rose now, she's running the place right now. We just talked about Candy, but this girl is literally burning up the streets because people are captivated with her personality and her relationship with her fiance, Expert. So, recently, I don't know where to start now, they went on a date, and boy, for them romance, like, them is the modern day Rose and Jack from Titanic.
But you don't know who I am. I got on my feet. Well, looking at you. You, I love you. I look in your eyes, I see. Well, I do my best. Oh, you.
So Rose the fear like a song now, and not to be outdone, Expert running and decides that I'm gonna do one like a rendition, but theme song, I don't know how romantic it be. I don't think it upon an R&B chat, but give her effort. What you have to say, Expert?
You're the best, man. Alright, come on, put your back in your again. Come on, man. Yeah, now on the tongue now. Show my tongue again. See your time now.
I ain't gonna leave you, girl, so just whine for me, girl, whine for me. My girl, just whine for me, from the edge, girl.
But you know, in the midst of all of the festivities, you had some bad news because apparently it seems that, you know, Rose was being robbed. Some people are using our social media page and our brand to be taking, you know, getting money from other people.
Rose on bed set. You can't live down in a house comfort everyone. You them
people have video and then now give them out of that. You understand? No, no, I remember Roger used to have me pressing up, but that day, when feel locked down for a long time. You can't be like no, but listen to me now. And I'm me they put it. Say me they put it, me I will fire in a something there. Me I tell her that. But the people on my page and nah give me no money. They take their one money they be out behind me back. But you know what, me no want you know, me no wrong, Sunday can't help me out.
Twin
man, me, at a put out there, put out there. Me no matter where me want to come in, but me just put out there. Yes, people me no make it in my life.
And so in the midst of that now, I think Twin Man set her up on Instagram conversation now. So Rose, you know, Rose ever find man a road. So before in the middle while she and Expert were on a break, she have an ex like a brother where she did a link where she did kind of page where she kind of, you know, have a little vibe for. And Twin Man decides to, you know, just like put them together on a conversation, and here is how it was.
Abrid was? Eh? Abrid? So what kind of style? I really have one. Can't believe, star. I bet you go okay, star. I really have one. Eh? Yeah? Eh? So me now go with things.
If this is not Days of Our Life, Young and the Restless, Bold and the Beautiful, Sunset Beach, and all of them something they're into one, then I do not know. Like, honestly, somebody get Rose a reality show because we need this wedding to be televised live on TVJ right after the news. Let me know your thoughts about Rose and Expert's relationship. Burritos, sound off below. Number 3, Ninja Man versus Emily Crooks.
My glad my come out comes to this.
Marine Ting Ting. Alright, so this big bad interview surfaced on social media recently, and trust me, it started to make the rounds. And if you do not know what was in it, basically you had nice take with Emily Crooks. Before that, years ago when Ninja Man was 37 years old, a young Emily Shields interviewed him for a TV show that was called Exposure. Now, the two of them, may I tell you, like, the two of them were just like tit for tat because both of them are very strong personalities. Ninja Man is known as a Dang Gagan, and Emily Crooks, she's a nice pretty face, but trust me, she is very strict, very bold, very calculated, and a very persistent personality. So look at the two of them and the whole entire vibe that they're going.
Planted?
A girl, you are a real informer, you know, man.
Emily. Have to keep correcting you.
Where
You know, say you give
plant
me
it?
like a you named Keisha.
Eh? Your wife give you problems?
Anyway, when me I say.
Huh?
Emily,
Your wife give you problems?
you're too fast, Emily, man. I know that to come here to deal with.
That's why I'm a journalist. I ask the question. That's what I do. Don't you know? Sure, you expected this before you came here.
You know, say
I
a man
probe the
supposed to know
issues.
likes you.
Yeah? That's very, very personal. We want to get back to the
So we are want to get back going in me and Keisha like. You never know me and Keisha like first.
But then also in the middle of it, like, I honestly feel like there was some sort of chemistry. Like me thinks a ninja man, because he's such a powerful presence, he never expects a girl to look like Emily without a step to him and hold him accountable the type of way. I'm thinking they like it. Like there was a little flirtation. There was a little chemistry in there, man. Nobody can tell me nothing. Like I feel it, man. There's a little chemistry in there, man. There's a little there's a little there's a little meow, meow. Yeah, man, there was a little yeah, man, that in the interview. I can't tell me nothing. But anyway, burritos, like, what do you think of this interview? Like, what was your favorite part of it? Sound off below. Number 2, Lila Ike. Hi. So Lila Ike, she is one of the rising reggae songstresses, and she recently dropped her EP. It a go on good. One of my favorite songs is I Spy. I might know her from these other hits as well. But anyhow, she came under quite a bit of public scrutiny after this clip from an Entertainment Report interview popped up online with her talking about the likelihood of her working with upcoming acts.
Are you getting a lot of offers for like collabs? Are you turning down people?
For sure. Tons and tons of people are reach out for collabs. Some of them I really feel like you're just not dead so yet for them on a song with Lila Ike, to be honest. I feel like most of the people reaching out to me right now would be like upcoming artists that are seeking a way to getting themselves known or get into the business, and I'm not really in support of that. I really feel like you want something, you really and truly have to work for it.
Okay. Alright, so much interview, we never really have no problem with it. But until I saw the conversations happening online, where people start to feel so she should have gone like so she did reach too early and she arrived, and it did come across as if she hype.
As humble as a lamb.
Like Lila, probably have to be a little bit mindful in terms of how you communicate, but me understand. Your thing is at a certain level, and every new artist thing is put together. Some of them just want to use it for just get them name out there, and they have not really built a brand for themselves, them not fix them sound, and them just want to collaborate with you just because them say, yo, me can get something out tight. And really and truly, it cannot operate like that. You get me? You have to work on your craft and build a thing first, and when you can say, yo, this is my foundation, and Lila can look and say, you know, say I'm a new artist, but me like how you build a thing, and I just, me can help you to get more eyes from them people here. Because my sister, oh, your thing done set away already. And I think that is what she was really speaking about, but she released an extended version of the interview.
It is that I'm going to do a collab right now with Lila Ike.
Well, what about better known people? Would you be just as tough in terms of rejecting those offers?
As you said, that will change the life. You know which artist can live right now and change the life. I'm down. But you know, once it is that you're great at what you're doing, I know say your work ethic gonna be, you come a studio, we're gonna sit and talk about this and the energy right, because that's the next thing. We can't in a studio with somebody when we feel like the energy off. Because we're translating the music. You know, I'm an empath, so I feel and observe everything. So no matter how, even if I'm excited to work with you, there's somebody when I want to work with, we really have to get to a point where I feel comfortable being vulnerable, because that's what happens when you're in the studio.
That ER did not show, that I guess helped to kind of clear up things a bit, but I don't know for the masses if this will like change their perception now. I know Jamaican people do not like anything that even smell like hype, and while we will be okay with a hype man, Jamaican people, especially Jamaican women, them not have the same level of forgiveness and openness when it comes to like somebody who seems like a hype female. So boy, let's see. Let me know what you think about this Lila hype, Lila Hype, jeez, Lila Ike situation. Burritos, sound off below. And number 1 goes to Olympia Bolt. Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. So number 1 goes to Usain Bolt and Casey Bennett's baby, Olympia Lightning Bolt. Yes, that is the name of the beautiful baby girl. May I tell you, so when I look on the little pitney here, may I tell you, the little pitney here, make me feel like I'm supposed to spend money to look on the baby picture here. Because the minute me look on the baby, look on the baby. That's truth. The pitney look like it christened in a goal. The pitney are seasoned in a olive oil. Like look at the little pitney eye. 10 Tell me if an Hercules met this. No, sir. Captain Planet and the whole of them come around and say, with our powers combined, we are going to bring you Olympia. No, this is definitely not Olympia Crown Hotel because the girl there, the Pitney there, me I tell her right about now. Maybe it's Maybelline. No, sir. Pitney for come out of home clean, but no, sir. No, look on this right now. Jesus, look on the little Pitney. The little Pitney thing around her head. Jesus Christ, shower cap. How far shower cap looks at that age? Me I tell you right now. No normal at all. Me I tell you right now. Look on the little Pitney frock. The Pitney frock look like them look something the way they hang up in a Queen Elizabeth house. No, sir, Jesus Christ. And I want like a frilly nighty that, you know. I want like a church dress that, you know. I look on it, it just look exquisite. It look like something supposed in some home decor. And like a girl will wear that as and that's probably like a yard clothes. That's probably Olympia yard clothes. I like a clothes that she wear when she run gas. When she run go downtown. For collect like things with her helper. Like me I tell her right now, like our thing don't normal. Wow. The baby muy magnifico. And Casey you look good. For just drop out the Pitney, you look good, you look nice, you look like a goddess.
Your belly flat, you lose the right amount of weight, you're sling back like a cheerleader, you know your grandpa at top, your queen, my queen.
I mean, I forgot big up the team, Bootleg Rockstar and the photographer Lex and Art, incredible. Why? Look good. The photos and everything look really nice and it's up to an international level, and which is why, you know, I just felt so proud of them. This is when other celebrities are reshare it and talk about how well it looked, because it once again just like proves, say, yo, when Jamaican creatives come together and do some little things, it can really look like amazing and stand out and look as official as anything else, anywhere else in the world. And so, some people online like they never like the name Olympia in Rose, but I was telling this, like you have to understand celebrity status and celebrity things. Them don't the things look a regular way most of we know about. Them not have to go for a quote-unquote employable name. Like for them thing from them Pitney band, them Pitney is a brand. So the thing they have to just kind of stand out. It have to have a certain little impact in the culture. Like all of these things at the weight there, especially somebody like a Usain Bolt. I don't want a regular little 5K celebrity that, you know.
Usain Bolt reveals his daughter's epic name. The famous Olympian celebrated the birthday of his girlfriend Cassie Bennett and introduced the world to their baby girl in a series of Instagram posts. Usain shared photos of mom and baby from their photo shoot, styled by Nico Kelly, and photographed by Adrian McDonald.
I think Olympia is a lovely name, and when you look on this baby, you can see the Olympia upon her. Like you can tell this man, this is some like the Pitney supposed to have one like a scene in a Game of Thrones. This is modern day Simba. Jesus! And I'm glad this case they kind of, you know, come at the haters and clap back and basically tell somebody online on Twitter so they just need to mind their business, which is very much right. So congratulations to Usain Bolt and Casey. Honestly, I think so with all of the medals where Bolt get, I feel like this trial is going to be his biggest achievement. Like, look, if you look at, you can imagine Bolt a guy in bed and look across the bed and look on the baby there and be like, yo, I mean, this, you know. But let me know what you thought of the baby's pictures, burritos, and the baby's name. Sound off below. Well, that is the burritos. We've come to the end of another social media top 10 countdown. I do hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button as well as to turn on the post notifications. Also to leave a comment down below and let me know what was your favorite part of the countdown, as well as to share the video and to subscribe, especially if you are new. If you want to follow me on my social media, it is at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over. And if you want to advertise within the social media countdown, shoot me an email to DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. If you want to send a donation to the show, you can do so via PayPal at DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. Okay, take care until next time, burritos.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth.